I usually wake up around 7 in the morning.
I usually start my day with a cup of tea or coffee.
I usually check my messages after breakfast.
I usually leave home around 8 o'clock.
I usually go to work by bus or by car.
I often start work at 9 o'clock.
I often have a busy morning at work.
I often drink coffee during the day.
I often answer emails in the morning.
I often finish work around 5 o'clock.
Sometimes I wake up earlier than usual.
Sometimes I work from home during the week.
Sometimes I have meetings in the afternoon.
Sometimes I go for a walk after work.
Sometimes I cook dinner at home.
I usually have breakfast at home.
I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock.
I usually have dinner in the evening.
I often cook something simple for dinner.
I often relax after dinner.
In the evening, I usually watch a film or read a book.
In the evening, I often listen to music.
In the evening, I sometimes go for a walk.
I often call my family in the evening.
I usually spend the evening at home.
I usually go to bed around 11 o'clock.
I try to get enough sleep every night.
I often read a few pages before going to sleep.
I sometimes listen to a podcast before bed.
I usually sleep about 7 hours a night.
During the week, I follow a regular routine.
During the week, I usually work during the day.
At the weekend, I wake up a little later.
At the weekend, I sometimes meet friends.
At the weekend, I enjoy relaxing and resting.
I try to stay active during the day.
I often take short breaks while working.
I sometimes go to the gym after work.
I try to keep a healthy routine.
I like having a balanced daily schedule.
What time do you usually wake up?
What do you usually do in the morning?
Do you have a regular daily routine?
Do you usually have a busy day?
How do you usually relax in the evening?
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up around 7.
Do you have breakfast in the morning?
Yes, I usually have breakfast at home.
Do you start work early?
Yes, I usually start work at 9.
Do you drink coffee during the day?
Yes, I usually have 2 cups.
Do you have a busy morning at work?
Yes, mornings are often quite busy.
Do you have lunch at work?
Yes, I usually eat around 1 o'clock.
Do you work every weekday?
Yes, from Monday to Friday.
Do you finish work late?
No, I usually finish around 5.
Do you relax after work?
Yes, I usually read or listen to music.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, most evenings.
Do you watch films in the evening?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you go for walks after work?
Yes, when the weather is nice.
Do you talk to your family during the week?
Yes, I often call them in the evening.
Do you read before going to sleep?
Yes, almost every night.
Do you listen to podcasts?
Yes, sometimes before bed.
Do you go to bed late?
No, usually around 11.
Do you get enough sleep?
Yes, I try to sleep about 7 hours.
Do you have a healthy routine?
Yes, I try to keep a good balance.
Do you exercise during the week?
Yes, sometimes after work.
Do you have a busy schedule?
Yes, most weekdays.
Do you relax at the weekend?
Yes, the weekend is usually for rest.
Do you wake up early at the weekend?
No, I usually sleep a bit longer.
Do you meet friends at the weekend?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like your daily routine?
Yes, it works well for me.
Do you try to keep a balanced life?
Yes, I think it's very important.
That's all for now. Good job.